Hi everyone, so today on Stories I am going to be talking about skincare during your pregnancy. So I do understand that this sometimes can be triggering or a little bit of a sensitive subject, so please, if it is not of interest to you or a little bit triggering, just tap through or just swipe by. But we're just going to be talking about skincare and pregnancy. So there's very little differences really when we're talking about skincare during your pregnancy and every other day skincare. Sometimes people can absolutely breeze through it and their skin won't change or there won't be any differences, and sometimes you can get the likes of pregnancy pigmentation, pregnancy acne, a lot of dryness, a lot of sensitivity. So we really are treating pregnancy skincare the same we would any individual. The slight differences would be you could be a little bit more sensitive to the likes of your acids or the likes of your vitamin A, so we tend to err on the side of caution when it comes to using, extreme exfoliants or chemical exfoliants. So keeping everything simple and hydrating is going to be what benefits your skin most. I love the ASC gentle cleansing gel. You can use this all over the face and the neck. You can also use it on the body, but it has healing properties of aloe vera, it has white tea, and it's fantastic for any hot sensitive skin. You can use it all over the body as well. Also, along with that, I would always generally sell these both together. The soothing gel comes in a smaller tube as well for like your travel bag, your hospital bag. This is fantastic for everybody, even if you're not expecting. This is for any heat or irritation in the skin. It's perfect for after laser, after IPL, after microneedling. This is going to bring any heat out of the skin. It's going to calm it right down. Brilliant to keep it in the fridge as well. A fabulous serum to incorporate that's non-active is from Medicate, and this is the Hydrate B5 serum. So this contains B5 and different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid, so it's going to hydrate on different levels of the skin. It's oil-free, so it's non-greasy, it's easily absorbed into the skin. Again, we want to apply this to a damp skin ideally, but this is going to revitalize if the skin is on the dull side as well. Perfect for if you do have those breakouts or areas of congestion during pregnancy. Your Hydrate B5 will work alongside that as well. So don't forget that with congestion or acne, we still want hydration in the skin. So for a moisturizer then in pregnancy, we tend to go towards softening, hydrating, calming and soothing moisturizers that contain ceramides, ideally niacinamide. So niacinamide is going to work on that sensitivity and it's going to strengthen the pore wall as well. So Skin Good Fats from Skin Ingredients is always a good shout. And when you apply that over your serum, whether it be an active serum or just a hydrating hyaluronic acid serum, that's going to lock in the moisture. It's going to prevent moisture loss. Fantastic new one from Murad as well. This is the Daily Defense Cream, so you can use this both day and night. So if you're using it during the day, you want to ideally put it underneath your SPF, but this has soothing and calming oat extract and peptides as well, so your peptides are going to kind of strengthen the structure of your skin. But ideal, nothing overly fragranced, just there for hydration, comforting and replacing ceramides. So Mamma Mio again are not exclusive to anyone who is expecting. Their body care is absolutely fantastic for anyone who wants to really up their game when it comes to looking after their top to toe body care. So their Lucky Legs cooling gel is absolutely perfect for this time of year for everybody. Pregnancy, non-pregnant, think about that heat that we're experiencing at the moment, and in pregnancy you tend to get a lot of excess fluid, especially in the lower limbs, the feet. So keeping the likes of Lucky Legs cooling gel in your fridge, massaging it into the feet, getting your partner or yourself to use the gel to push up towards the heart to get the circulation back and elevating your legs. It's a fantastic treatment. Pregnancy boob tube, again, one of my favorite products. It's like an anti-gravity type product, but it's great for strengthening any areas of skin on the chest area or around the breast that are loose or have a loss of elasticity. So that really gets them firmed back up again and tightens the skin. So we're all about getting omegas onto the skin. The omegas are going to soften and nourish the skin and allow for that natural stretch to happen as we're growing when we're pregnant. So Mama Mark's cream, again, stretch marks are just a normal part of life, whether you're pregnant or not. When you experience a stretch mark and it's new, then is the time to treat it. So Mama Mark's cream, when that stretch mark is nice and pink and new, you want to be applying this twice a day to the skin, to the stretch mark, and you will see a drastic improvement in the appearance of it. They don't completely disappear. They are a natural part of you growing another human being, or if you're just experiencing weight fluctuation, Stretch Mark cream is absolutely fantastic. And again, keep calm nipple balm, not just for pregnancy either, but just a soothing kind of repairing cream for around the nipple area. And if you have baby showers coming up or have a friend that it's expecting, we have the tummy rub trio. So 3 different types of the tummy rub. We have a fragrance free, we have our natural one that has bergamot and orange oil, and we also have one for nighttime as well. So it has those lovely lavender essential oils in it to aid sleep. And we also have the tummy rub routine that contains some of the 3 different tummy rub routine products. So we have the scrub, we have the tummy rub oil, and we also have the tummy rub butter. So fantastic gifting ideas there for anyone who is expecting, or if you have a baby shower to go to, or a gender reveal. I know they're very popular now. So just to wrap up, so pregnancy skincare is pretty much the same as your regular skincare. If you were using the likes of really active ingredients, such as retinol, different skincare brands have different rules and different protocols. So it's really important that you get in contact with your skincare therapist and just let them know possibly if you're trying for a baby or if you're expecting, and they will steer you in the right direction. So again, different brands have different rules, and your skincare therapist will know best what to advise you for. So bringing supplements into your everyday life anyway, regardless if you're expecting or not. Skin Omegas are safe to take during pregnancy. They have a small amount of vitamin A, but that's just going to help with the natural functioning and barrier of the skin. And your Omegas are going to hydrate from the inside and out, and the evening primrose oil, excuse me, is going to help regulate that hormonal imbalance. We also then, when you can experience pregnancy pigmentation, it's called chloasma. So with that, we don't tend to treat it aggressively, but again, always using your SPF and reapplying is going to be the most important thing. This fantastic one from SkinCeuticals, it is advanced brightening, so it's going to kind of work on that anti-pigmentation regulation of melanin in the skin too. So don't get bogged down about changing your routine or starting a complete new routine when it comes to pregnancy. Touch base with your skincare consultant, keeping it simple with hydrating, simple, calming products. Hydration, SPF and supplementation are going to be your absolute best friend through that time in your life.